Yardstyle live.
I helped Busy write half of those songs. I never get a credit in my life. Have you ever seen S. Davis on any of those songs? My name is Stephen Davis. It's not there. You understand me?
You need to get your money.
But I'm not one of those people in music who will be like running on back of artists like, oh, I was in the studio today, I was voicing, and I helped you write a line, so I need a package. I'm not like that. It's you and yourself to know, say, you know? Yo, give him 2%. That the boy there, him work hard, him go to the end of the earth for it. You understand? That type of settings there. That's where the unity and the love and the whole thing come into play, which is not really in music, but what we are going to do? We have to just learn. You understand? Yeah. So the key to doing this thing is not get bitter and post in the Star tomorrow morning. Because that is Jamaican people style. You know?
Everything you
put
that
some go on then at the Star morning.
As me a Supa kick off.
Yo. You understand? No, Supa not in that. You understand? I just learn and work on my craft, keep it moving and get better and better and better. You understand me?
Then you build the rhythm in your smash and that change.
Yeah, because when they jump on that the rhythm, them kill the game.
Yeah.
We not taste, we not bite, we not chew. You understand me? So
when Mataran.
Like, the more we apart, is the better way I get at the music game. You understand? At this time now, Mataran carry the rhythm go up on my yard. Because you know the thing, them have to know the real story behind that song. I called Jack Neal in the studio and Serrani to build that rhythm for me. Because I was at Carnival and I liked the whole Carnival and the dance hall and the snare rhythm that was in the Carnival rhythm. I call it happy music.
Yeah.
So that's why even the links around about it, and I was like, yo, I called Jack Neal and I was like, you guys leave me at the studio, I want to build a beat. That's how we came up with Smash. And then Mataran took the rhythm home, voice at him yard, and bring the file come. And then DJ Karim, big up Karim Thompson, Karim mix it. Even though I just remastered Dirty Wine in 2025 and release it again in 2025.
Wagwan, you're tuned to Yardstyle live.